Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will see how to create a new React app. Inside this React projects folder, I'm going to open this cmd from here. In command prompt, type npx create dash react dash app and now we will write the name of our application. I am naming this application as hello world. Okay, and click enter. This npx create react app command will generate all the boilerplate code that are required to build our React.js application. I'm going to pause this process because this process might take some time based on your computer configuration. And now process is done. This npx create react app command will generate all the boilerplate code that we wanted, and finally it will showing cd hello world, and type it here cd hello world, and we are inside our project directory. Inside our project directory, to start our React app on a new local server, type the command npm start and click enter. This will create a new server with a port number of its choice, and browser will automatically open. We have created our first React project by using command line. After this logo, open the Visual Studio Code and drag this folder into that editor. Maximize it, and now we are inside our React project. Here you can see it will show the file inside the source folder, and save it and reload it. Inside the source folder, here you have app.js file. App.js file, you can delete all the code. You can delete the header code that is inside this division tag, and you can write here an h1 tag with hello world and save it. It will automatically reload the page and it will showing hello world. We have successfully created our first React project and written hello world.